Hello, here's a pod engine feature that we released last week that I'm really proud of, and it's saving our customers hours every single week already. I'm going to do a quick multi-search, so I'm going to search for lots of things simultaneously, and we're going to optionally match them, which means that we're going to try and match all 5 queries, and where we can't match them all, we'll just match the best combination of them. And there's going to be thousands of results, but that's fine because we're going to filter out the irrelevant ones. So we're searching for startups, product management, basketball, podcast data, podcast news. And so you'll notice basketball actually has nothing to do with me or my guesting goals or the reason I'm using Pod Engine. And so we will see these results be filtered out, which is what I'd like to show you. And so we're going to find podcasts that are actively publishing, that accept guests, and that have some Apple podcast reviews. And so if I hit search, the first thing you'll see at the top is this new feature, which is exclude low relevancy. And so for a long time now, we've had this AI agent that runs every single result that gets shown. It runs in real time and it says, how relevant is this podcast for this project? Where in this case, the project is my guest profile. So I would like to talk about things like product management, startup data, startups, bootstrap, and all that sort of good stuff. I obviously don't want to talk about basketball. And so hence that's why I included it in the query. So if I scroll, you'll see in real time, this is running. And so actually it's filtered out 22 results, which they must have included basketball. So if I do it again, I'll show you, it's showing us more results, which is cool. It's going to filter this out. So it's filtered it out, filtered out 44. So the other thing it's doing, the reason it's filtering out so many results is because it's filtering out podcasts that are already on my list. So if I've been a client of an agency or I've been searching for myself for a long time and I've been a guest on say 100 shows, then it doesn't make sense for those shows to continue to show up in my search. And so we're combining 2 features here. One is exclude shows that I've already engaged with, exclude shows that I've just marked as ignore for this project. And 3, the special feature, which is saving lots of time, is for all of the results that come in, run a quick check, and for anything that looks irrelevant, i.e. less than a 4 out of 5, then just exclude them from the results. And so that's what you see here. So I can go on forever. I could do it again. And so the cool thing is here that very soon, maybe this week or next, we'll be able to switch on a box against every profile and every strategy, which is do this search for me every single night. And whenever you see something relevant, add it to my shortlist. And then you wake up in the morning and your shortlist has grown with highly relevant podcasts. So less of your time is going to be spent on just a monotonous search and filtering of the world of 500,000 active podcasts or whatever it is on any given day. Anyway, I hope this is useful. Give me a shout if you want any more training on how to use it, or if you're not a Pod Engine user, feel free to book a demo. Thanks.